Hey, what's up guys, this is Daniel Albert Agoya, and on this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a database and maybe a table inside the database using phpmyadmin. So you're gonna first you have to have the local host server. We go to the website www.apachefriends.org/download.html. You're gonna download the server, any 32 bits depending on your computer. Okay, all of them are 32 bits. Then after downloading, you gotta follow the steps of installing. You just click next. You know how it goes down. Then once it's installed in your computer, you're gonna search for it. XAMPP control panel. Click OK. Click on it. So you'll see this type of window where you have the Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. So today we're gonna measure on the Apache and MySQL. You're gonna click on start, then start again on the MySQL until the ports have started. Yeah, now it's online. You're gonna click on the admin. It will open in a browser, of course. So here it's the Apache admin. You're gonna measure on the phpmyadmin for you to create the database and the tables. Go and click on it. This is the interface of the phpmyadmin. As you can see, I have multiple databases, but you're not gonna open any of these. You're gonna create a new database. The database name, create database, we're gonna maybe call it project 1. Ignore this coalition and then you create. You can see it says the database will be created. Here it is, and now it is prompting us to create a table. We're gonna create a table. Maybe let's say our project 1 will have one table. Maybe we can name it users. Number of columns 4, maybe. Gonna click on go. So these are the names of the columns in your table. Users. Click on ID. You're gonna name one column ID. The other one maybe username. The other one maybe email. And the last one maybe password. So this column ID will have a type of integer, length of 11. Skip these ones. You're gonna go to the auto increment property. You click on that box. Primary. It will be a primary key. Yeah. Go. Then the type of the username, you can put it a varchar. Length 11. Email to varchar. Length 100. Password varchar 2. Length 100. Then I click on save. So as you can see guys, our project 1 has users table. Users table has 4 columns: ID, username, email, password. The types of the column. When you browse here, you can see it's empty right now because we haven't inserted anything inside the table. So guys, that's it. Click and subscribe on my channel. Next time we'll populate this users table with some type of data using PHP. You guys have a lovely day.